Today, I am reviewing the Smart Bird Feeder. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. After spending several weeks with the HEAPETS Smart Bird Feeder in my backyard, I have to say that this device has completely transformed my relationship with the wildlife in my immediate environment. In the past, I had traditional wooden feeders that were fine for providing food, but you really only saw the birds if you happened to be looking out the window at the exact right moment. This smart feeder changes the entire experience from a passive hobby into an interactive and educational journey. The first thing that blew me away was the sheer visual quality of the camera. We are talking about 2K high-definition video, and the difference between this and standard 1080p models is night and day. You can see the individual texture of the feathers, the glint in a bird's eye, and the subtle movements of their beaks as they sort through the seeds. Because the camera is positioned so close to the perch, you get a perspective that is physically impossible to achieve with binoculars or a handheld camera. It creates an intimate window into nature that feels incredibly personal. One of the most impressive aspects of the HEAPETS system is the artificial intelligence bird recognition. I was skeptical about how accurate it would be, but it has correctly identified over a dozen different species in my yard that I never even knew were visiting. The database covers over 10,000 species, and getting a notification on my phone that tells me exactly what kind of bird just landed is genuinely exciting. It feels like having a digital ornithologist living in your pocket. While there is a small subscription fee after the initial trial for the AI features, the level of detail and the historical tracking of visitors make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about birding. The notification system itself is remarkably well-tuned. It sends an instant arrival alert to my phone the second motion is detected. I love that I can be at work or running errands and still catch a glimpse of a rare visitor in real time. The app allows you to tune in live, or you can go back and watch recorded footage if you were busy when the alert came through. I have even found myself using it as a secondary security camera for my garden because the motion detection is so reliable and the field of view is quite wide. From a practical maintenance standpoint, the solar power integration is a massive win. One of the biggest hurdles with outdoor smart devices is the constant need to take them down and recharge them, but the built-in solar panel on the HEAPETS feeder keeps the battery topped off consistently. Even during a week of relatively overcast weather, the feeder remained fully operational without me having to intervene. If you live in an area with very little sunlight, you still have the option for wired power, but for most people, the solar setup makes this a truly set-it-and-forget-it device. The physical build of the feeder is also worth praising. It has a vibrant red finish that seems to act as a natural magnet for birds like cardinals and hummingbirds. The construction is solid and weather-resistant, having already survived several heavy rainstorms and a very windy afternoon without any water getting into the seed container or the electronics. The seed bin is designed to be spill-proof, which helps keep the area under the feeder clean and prevents wasted food. Installation was also a breeze. I chose to mount mine on a wooden post, but the kit comes with everything you need for tree or wall mounting as well. It took me less than 10 minutes to get it physically installed and synced to my home network. Another feature that my family has really enjoyed is the ability to share the feed. You can save clips directly to your phone and send them to friends, and the app even supports 2 people watching the live feed at the exact same time. It has become a great conversation starter for us, as we can all watch a specific bird visit together from our own devices. Ultimately, the HEAPETS Smart Bird Feeder is a perfect marriage of nature and technology. It takes the simple joy of bird feeding and elevates it with high-end optics and intelligent software. It is durable, easy to maintain, and provides a level of entertainment that never gets old. Whether you are a dedicated birdwatcher or someone just looking to add a bit of life and color to your backyard, this feeder is a premium choice that delivers an exceptional experience every single day. It is more than just a feeder. It is a gateway to a hidden world of nature right outside your door.